Welcome to video 12.1f, surface area of a right prism. So this is example 3. Find the total surface area of the right prism shown. All angles shown are right angles. All right, again, we've got a right prism, so the total surface area will be two bases, top base, bottom base, plus the lateral going around. And again, a shortcut would be equals 2b plus the perimeter of the base times the height of the solid. All right, so once again, find the area of the base, find the perimeter, find the height. I'll start with the perimeter and the height first. So the perimeter is going to be just walking around. So if you want, you can say you're 16 plus 11 plus 4 plus whatever that distance must be. Well, if I'm 11 all the way across and I'm 4 there, I must be 7 there. So plus 7 plus whatever that distance is. If the total is 16 and that's 4, that must be 12. And then plus 4 at the end. A quicker way to find the perimeter would have been as follows. I'm 16 here, the total here is 16. I'm 11 here, the total there is 11. So I could have just said 16 plus 11 plus 11. You notice I'll get an 11 there and a 16 there. All right, so it's going to be 32 plus 22. That's going to be 54. Okay, so I've got the perimeter. The height is easy. The height is just 5. Okay, 2 down, 1 to go. So now the area of the base. Again, the bases are parallel and congruent. So this whole thing is the base. I'll call it the top base, and then I get the bottom base. All right, there's a couple ways of doing it. You could find the area of a large rectangle and subtract away a rectangle. I think it might be easier just to add 2 separate rectangles. So what I'm going to do is continue that on there. I'll call that region 1, and I'll call that region 2. And I just add those 2 regions, and that's going to be the area of the base. All right, so we'll do that over here. So the base equals area of region 1 plus area of region 2. All right, area of region 1 is a rectangle. That's just going to be the length times the width, 16 by 4. Okay. The area of region 2 is also a rectangle. He's not 11, 7 by 4. All right, so that's going to be 64 plus 28, add 30, subtract 2, so 92. And then again, once I've got the B, the P, and the H, I'm ready to just put them into the formula. All right, so it's going to be 2 of the 92s plus the perimeter, which was 54, times the height, which was 5. I worked these out previously. So it's going to be 184 plus 270, which sums 454. So I'll just put my answer right here. And again, the book doesn't include units. If they had inches, I'd say inches squared. So there you have it, how to find the total surface area of a right prism.